Venmo supports four major cryptocurrencies for purchase: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. All of these are available to eligible users throughout the United States. Before you can buy cryptocurrency on Venmo, you need three things: a verified Venmo account, eligibility as a US user, and a linked funding source, such as a bank account or debit card. The buying process is straightforward. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the crypto section. Select Bitcoin from the available options, then choose the buy option. Next, enter the dollar amount you want to spend or the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review all transaction details, including fees, then confirm your purchase with your PIN or biometric authentication. It's important to understand that Venmo operates as a custodial service. This means Venmo holds your cryptocurrency and manages the private keys for you. Your purchased Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo crypto portfolio, but you cannot transfer it to external wallets. Understanding Venmo's Bitcoin limits and fees is crucial before making your first purchase. These restrictions and costs will directly impact your trading strategy. Venmo has established specific transaction limits for Bitcoin purchases. These limits are designed to comply with financial regulations while providing flexibility for most users. Now let's examine Venmo's fee structure. Venmo charges a 1.75% fee on both purchases and sales, plus an additional spread that's built into the price. Let's see how these fees work in practice. If you purchase $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you'll pay $17.50 in fees, plus the spread cost built into the price. Important to note, credit cards are not supported for Bitcoin purchases on Venmo. You can only use bank accounts, debit cards, or your Venmo balance as funding sources. Finally, remember that all Bitcoin transactions on Venmo are taxable events. This includes both purchases and sales. Venmo provides transaction history to help with tax reporting, but you're responsible for calculating and reporting any gains or losses.